Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Palak Rathod. I am a physiotherapist by profession and mastered in neuroscience and neurorehabilitation. This would be my demo lecture on the topic for biology for grade 8 to 10th. The topic that I am going to cover today is structure of atom. So before I start, I would like to give a quick recap about what is an atom. We all know, or the students from the previous grade would be fairly aware, that atom is the structural and functional unit of any substance. Okay, it is a structural and functional unit of any substance. It is the basic building block of any object. It is the smallest and the undivisible particle of an object. Right? Atoms cannot be further divided. They are the simplest form of any substance. Now, atoms have various particles. Okay, they have various subparticles. In biology, we can talk about atoms having three main particles or subconstituents. The first one is the nucleus of an atom. The nucleus of an atom has got other subparticles as well. Those particles are known as the neutrons and electrons. Surrounding the nucleus in an atom, we have orbits that circulate around the nucleus. So orbit is a circular ring that is covering the entire nucleus. Every atom has various orbits as well. Now, in those orbits, electrons will be located. Electrons are also subparticles of an atom. So now we came to an understanding that an atom consists of a nucleus which has got two main particles, that is your protons and neutrons, and surrounding the nucleus there is orbit which is known as the shell, and the shell has got electrons. Now these particles of an atom have got specific charges. Nucleus, which consists of protons and neutrons, have got their own electrical charges. Electrical charges consisting within the nucleus. The neutron present in the nucleus is electrically neutral. What do I mean by electrically neutral? Means it does not have any charge. On the other hand, protons present within the nucleus are electrically positive charges. What do I mean by electrically positive charge? They carry a positive charge. So as a whole, the nucleus is positively charged particle of, or positively charged subconstituent of atom. Because as neutrons have no charges and protons have positive charge, the nucleus itself will also have positive charge. Now, surrounding the nucleus, as I told you earlier, there are shells or orbits, circular rings that are running around the nucleus, covering the entire nucleus. Electrons are revolving on those shells or are rotating in those orbits. Electrons too possess an electrical charge. Electrons are negatively charged particles, so they carry a negative charge. So as a whole, atom is electrically balanced. Within the nucleus, there are protons which are positively charged, neutrons do not carry any charge, electrons are negatively charged, so the protons and electrons balance each other. This was a basic understanding of structure of atom. Thank you.